Hey everyone, this is my first unbox video ever. I just received the Pixelbook Go, not pink, 16 gig RAM and 125 I think storage. So let's get started. Here we go. Oh, here's another box. Should start it there. Let's see those aside. Here we go. This is the packaging. It's very slim actually. You can see the logo here. They call it not pink. I like it. I don't like the black version. It's like too plain. This one is more like pop or something. Okay, let's stop. I think we have to do it the old-fashioned way. Strip off this. Okay. Smooth. Oh, it's very easy. Just get started. Let's take it like that. Here we go. Oh la la. Like it. There is, I don't know what's that. Ah, there is like information. They put it in nice packaging here. Very neat. You can see here is the, I believe it's the charger. Oh, yeah. It looked like a lot like the one from Apple. I don't like this shape. It's really super annoying when you plug it in. Anyway, let's get to the main thing. All that I can see. It's not really pink as they said. It's the color called not pink. It's like more very, very light pink. It's like between white and pink, it's the lightest pink you can ever get, you know. See here, it's very, very narrow. Put this aside, nothing else. See, here's the boards. Let me see. Okay, here's here. Oh, let's unwrap it. Oh. Wow, I love the color. I really love this color. It's very, I think I purchased that because I heard it's like very comfy, very easy to grab, and actually it is. It's very small laptop, very light. It's really good, you know. It's feel really good in the hands. You can see here, see the logo. It's very small. I like it. I don't like the big old-fashioned, you know, the many brands do like Apple. They have like the big Apple there. It's very limited. It's very good because you can add whatever you want after, you know. You can personalize it. You don't have to have the big, you know, brand there. You're paying for it, so they don't have to market it. Or let's open it. You can see it's just protection. I heard the just started automatically. Okay, I will set it up later. Let's feel the wow. They really feel so smooth. You can see. Let's try to open it with one finger. Yeah, that's very important actually. It's very convenient. It's a very small thing, but it's really convenient to have this. It's very easy. I bought that because I really use almost, you know, Apple products, especially software, and Google product, especially software. 90% of my time, work or anything, I use like Google software. So this is, I think, gonna be very good. I never have experiment. I never really used Chromebook software, Chrome software. So think I will do another video later on after I set it up and try it for a week. I will do a first impression about the software, especially because I did not find any information about the software. Really, there's many articles about it, but not really something satisfying like about the software, you know. So I think I'm gonna do that. It's fully charged. It's a good sign. Also, the battery, they say, is like 12 hours. I'm very excited about that. Let's see later. For now, I think that's it for the unboxing. That's everything inside the box, I believe. A neat box. And it's very simple. Some information, you know, some papers, the charger, and the cable. That's it. There's nothing else. Very simple. And yeah, it's like, I hope it's performed very well. And see you guys next time.